Hello everyone, welcome today. Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Yes, today on Saturday, let me show you Saturday. Here, Saturday, November the 12th, Sunday the 13th, yes. Saturday, November the 12th, 2022, we have only one regular puzzle here, and it's a medium Sudoku. And we have also another regular puzzle, and it's a samurai Sudoku. Yes, samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. Only two puzzles today. Yeah, let me show you, because just like last week on Saturday, we have also no additional, so it's not so good news for the weekend, because I've told you the weekend I love to do puzzles, a lot of puzzles in the weekend, on Saturday or Sunday. But now we have two regular puzzles and no additional. So what I will do is I will do the yesterday's newspaper. We have three puzzles left in the yesterday's newspaper. For today and tomorrow on Sunday, I will do the edition of Thursday. Yes, Thursday. So disappointing today. No extra puzzles. Yeah, this one is the yesterday's edition. Yesterday's edition, Friday, November the 11th. We have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the two stars, and the tectonic. So I will do this later on, and tomorrow the rest of the puzzles in the edition of Thursday. Yeah. But this one, I will solve first this one. Let me position the camera. This will be number 5469. Yeah, 5469. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in addition, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 3 in the third row, the 3 in the second row? So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in these two boxes here. 4 in the second row. So no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Alright. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Let me see. How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, or there in this row. Here, or there. We see another 9 in this column. No 9 there. Here, 9 in that column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the last row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Uh-huh. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. Last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be here. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 3 in this first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. Yeah. Need to wait. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in this box. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 that's left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in this middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Alright. How about the 4? Can I? Yeah. We have a 4 in the last row, the 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4. Okay, well, still cannot continue with the 4. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah. And now 2 numbers are left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then, let me see. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7. Okay. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers. The 1 is missing. Yeah, the 1. The 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. Okay. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? 1, 3, 8. Okay. Well, we have the 1 here. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in the last row, no 2 there. There are 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row are both. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so third column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright, the 6 in this column, the 6 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, okay. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 8. So 1 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last column. For the numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers are left now in this big square. I've marked those 3 boxes with 1, 3, and 8. Well, the 3 is already filled in. So the 1 and 8 then. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Oh, we have a 1 here in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright, so 1 is left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Let me mark those. 7 and 8. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 7 and 8 are missing. Then 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. We have here the 1 and the 8, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the 6 in this column, third column, the 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. I've marked this box with 7 and 8, so that box should be also 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8 then. Now we have an 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have an 8 here in the first column. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. Alright. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, I will do the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. If you already made those puzzles, well, have a great and fantastic Saturday then. We will meet again maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow I will do also a Samurai Sudoku, but with no comments. Speed test. Yeah, with a Samurai Sudoku, because I want to solve that puzzle faster than an hour, because yeah, every time I need more than an hour to solve. So tomorrow I will do a speed test with the Samurai Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.